Inside of the eye, we have at the back of the eye, so this is the posterior part of the eye, optic nerves back here. This is the retina. It's cloudy. Again, in a living eye, this should be clear, but in a preserved eye, it's cloudy. And if you push it around, you can find the one point where it is attached, right here. This is the optic disc, also known as the blind spot, the point where the retina and the optic nerve meet. Underneath, we have the choroid, which is the middle layer of the eye. Two basic functions. It has the blood vessels that supply the inside of the eye, and it's also pigmented to absorb light. Now on a sheep eye, you have this iridescent portion. This is called the tapetum lucidum. We do not have this. Humans don't have the tapetum lucidum. We would just have a solid choroid in the back of the eye. The fluids of the eye, well, the liquid is the aqueous humor. And again, that's in the anterior chamber and the posterior chamber of the eye. Basically the two chambers that are anterior to the lens. And then we have the vitreous body. You can also call it the vitreous humor. But the vitreous body is the more jelly-like fluid of the eye here. And usually it comes out stuck to the lens, but you can separate them. So this is the vitreous body found in the vitreous chamber, which is between the lens and the retina. So here's the lens of the eye. And again, in a healthy living eye, this should be clear and flexible, not hard and cloudy. And then if we go to the anterior of the eye, the hole is the pupil of the eye. The muscle that surrounds the pupil is the iris. And the muscle that surrounds the iris is the ciliary body. The ciliary body is the muscle that controls the size of the lens. It can either stretch it out, make it thinner in the middle, or relax and make it thicker in the middle. And this gives you your distance vision. The ciliary body is attached to the lens by the suspensory ligaments, which really you can't see. Everything that has blood in it stains black, so the muscles stain black, the choroid stains black. So, but you can kind of see these fine little thread-like structures if you look really, really close. So again, pupil. The iris is the muscle that controls the size of the pupil. Ciliary body surrounds the iris and controls the size of the lens.